Wakey Bakie, my little potheads. Welcome to another episode of Wakie Bakie Island Tours, the channel where I'm your host Wendy, and I get baked and I tour Animal Crossings across the internet and Animal Crossing islands across the internet. I'm a little tiny baked. Today, I know what the screen says. It says hell. But we're actually touring viva.cross.vegas, otherwise known as hell, which I think is really funny and cute. Our designer is a Ms. Baddie. And her name is Baddie B. Barbie. I'm just going to call her Miss Baddie for all intents and purposes. And you can catch up with her on Instagram at viva.cross.vegas. So, I think you're realizing there's a theme. Oh my gosh, there's somebody passed out. Oh my word. We've got it. Passed out dude on the floor. Oh my word. That just hit me so hard. Outfit check. Okay, y'all. Let me get to where you can see this a little bit better. I just got gifted this dress today, and I don't remember seeing it ever before, but I think this is cute with the dandy hat and I can't remember which bag I did. Tell me which bag I did. The dandy hat, octagonal glasses, day's dress, fishnet, my Mary Jane's, and it's a travel pouch. Travel pouch. I just thought it was so cute. I'm a fan of the dress. So, okay. Next, let's take a picture of our flag. It's flag check time. Or as Sheldon would say, flags across. How does he say it? Flags across the world. Oh, wow. There's so much going on. Of course, it's Vegas. There's so much going on. I know she has a pretty informative map, but we're just gonna wing it. We have 4 houses to tour today. Whew, oh my. But, of course, as always, we need to go down to our airport. Oh my gosh, I love the streets, but look at this pattern on the ground. She's got flyers for nudie shows. That's so bad. Had to get a little coffee. It is a true wake and bake today. Shut up. I want to make the robots go. How do you make them go? I have to touch them, but I can't get to them. I'm probably not. Oh, wait. I can get to one. Shut up. So cute. Oh my gosh, I'm a fan. That is freaking cool. And it just keeps moving. I gotta get a picture, of course, because this is her airport entrance. Oh my goodness, there's prezzies. Prezzies? Oh, bugger. You know I hate when I do that, but oh my gosh. That is phenomenal. And what a great airport entrance. I feel like this really could be the entrance at Vegas. Ooh, okay, prezzies. Prezzies! I'm so excited. Oh, we got a slot. We got some slots. Look at the cube light. Oh my word, that is adorable. And their little drinky poo. We've got the desert. Very, very, very good entryway. I'm a fan. I love the sidewalk, the roads. I'm a fan of Viva Las Vegas, and I'm a bigger fan of Viva Las Vegas than I am of Vegas, because to me Vegas is a great big cat box and it's so hot. But I do love my family, so I do go. Okay, we have Ms. Baddie, Tings, Jovic 4 MVP, JoJo Siwa. I have never ever like toured an island of a celebrity before. I'm pretty. Oh, I don't know what to do with this. Should I don't know. I just don't know what to do with this. JoJo Siwa. I feel a little nervous. So we have Nan, Blanche, Caesar, Sherb, Flora, Judy, Rolf, like the White Tigers, Gingy, Lionel, Pashmina. We have 4 houses to tour, people, so we are gonna get to it. There is no running around. I don't think this is it. I think I have to go up a little further. Ooh, I bet I have to go to this back step area here. Ah, look at the neon colors. Everything that you... Oh, this is so cute. What it... It's the MGM Grand! Y'all, look at that! You just know this tour is going to be absolutely freaking incredible. Oh, just stunning. Can I get closer? Just stunning. And so these, I believe, are the open signs turned around, and what a brilliant way to use them. And the display cases, they just added so much to Town Core. So much. Oh, no! Shut up, shut up, shut up! Look at this stunning poolside. Oh my gosh. Perfection. I wish I had a bathing suit. Oh, crap. Maybe there's one in the thing and I didn't even notice. Stunning. I know it's not about me, but I can't help it. I'm on a mingo. I'm on a mingo. Okay, let's see what the prezzies are. Open. You thought I was going to drop it, but I didn't. Open. Flapper dress. Oh. Open. I kind of like that. Festival accessory. Oh, okay. Alright. Open. Star shades. And of course I'm gonna hold this. Y'all, I'm in party mode. I am in freaking party mode and I'm feeling it. Dancing in the water. I'll have to dance somewhere else. This is the life. Oh my gosh. This, oh, like I can, oh my gosh, there's so much going on behind. Can you see all that behind? I don't even want to, oh, shut up. Oh my word. There's so much. I'm off the rails. It's off the rails, yo. I can't help it. Look at this. Look, it's the Luxor. Oh, Ms. Baddie, this is freaking insane. Oh, no. Can I back up a little? There we go. Oh. Shut up. It's off the rails. It's off the rails. Up, more desert. Okay. Core. Oh, okay, okay. Go back up, go back up. Let's go back to the pool. We gotta go back poolside. I gotta find her houses. Oh, this is so stinking adorable. Ah! This is the best. Y'all, oh my word. I can't. It's just too much awesomeness. It's just too much awesomeness. I wish I could lay down. Bugger. Stunning. Oh, I love the bar. Am I getting closer? Oh, I am. Look at this. Nice. Oh my gosh. Go to the houses, Wendy. Go to the houses. 4 houses to tour, Wendy. 4 houses to tour. We are off the rails. Oh my word. Oh, shut up. These little coins are so cute. Okay, first house. Ooh, I bet it's a casino. What do you think? It says Nooks Casino. Oh, man, he's breaking kneecaps. Nooks is breaking kneecaps, y'all. Huh. Huh. This is cute. Not what I expected, but I do love the way you have the library bookshelves. I mean, this is unique. It's a little, I think it's a little coffee bar. Oh, look at that freaking coffee mug. I think somebody has a hangover, and whoever was sitting here. Okay, first of all, can you see that coffee mug? Isabella's on the coffee mug. How cute is that? I want a picture. Crap. Wendy is so baked, she's not even focusing. Oh, fart. There we go. Just adorable. I love Isabel on the freaking mug. Okay. And look at the... Okay, I love the... Which pattern is this on the ground? I don't think it's giraffe. Cheetah, maybe? I don't know. I like it. I like it a lot. Ooh, we have artwork on the walls, too. Gonna have to deduct points. I don't see my favorite one. You know, that bumps me out. Okay. Okay, so if you've never toured with us before, I have, I love the chairs are talking. I have a pattern. I have ADHD. Oh my. Oh! I absolutely adore that you have Space Invaders going on. I wonder if I can get a picture of the Space Invaders with the handheld. Oh no, because it's only going to do like what's right in front of me, and I can't go over. Oh wait, maybe I can swing this way. Oh, I can! What a cool picture this is going to be. Space Invaders. Love it. Space Blaster. It looks like Space Invaders. I'm old. What can I say? Look at the money on top of them. And if you notice, she's got the cage, the animal cage, the claw machine that she's using as the layering effect, and it is so effective. It legit looks like a casino. I'm impressed. Ooh, we gotta hit the buttons. Who am I gonna get? Ah, poop. I did not get 3 in a row. I'm a bad gambler. Like, I've only really gambled like maybe 5 times my whole life. And I'll soon to be 52. I really would rather spend my money on shoes. I just think there's so much better stuff to spend my money on than gamble. Because, you know, I lose. But, oh my goodness. Like the first time I gambled, it was when I was stationed in South Dakota, and I got to gamble in Deadwood. This is stunning. This time she put the festival drums on top. I love the, is this the New Year's tree, or I can't remember, the bamboo tree. It's so cute. And what a good use for the dolls. I think that is such a cool item, but it never goes well in a lot of places. Like, it's so big, but the attention to detail, like, look, I'll get a picture of it. The attention to detail is insane. Look at this. Ew, what is in front? Oh, a chair is in front of me. Can I can't. Wait. Oh, I can't get over by it because of the chair, maybe? I might be able to do this. Oh, it won't because I'm in that mode. Yeah. It's just a really... There's so much detail in it. I'm a big fan of that. That is Bravo on Nintendo. I really have been giving kudos to Nintendo a lot, and I really don't know if I should. Like, oh, how cute! This time she's got golden piggies up there. Nook. Always just throwing about your bells. Cute. So, I really don't know if I should be giving Nintendo kudos, because I still really feel like there's so much they could have added to our game, and it just bums me. I don't know what your opinions are, but it just seems like Pocket Camp, they support it so much, and I would gladly pay a little extra for some updates, you know? Oh, I love this club. Loving it, but it's so quiet. Where's the jams? Where's the jams? Bump the jam. No. Oh, look, they got the sleep chamber in here. I'm not sure about that. I know it did it. I know. It still freaks me out, though. Ew. Do you know what I saw on TV yesterday? Or, I don't know, maybe it was, I don't know where I saw it. But anyway, that baby Jessica, when she fell down the well, that they put her in a hyperbaric chamber for a couple, or for like a day or so, or that's how they treated her. And so she was at one point going to lose her whole leg, and instead she only lost a teeny tiny tip of her toe. I mean, how crazy is that? I mean, and if you don't know who baby Jessica is, look her up. She fell in a well. It was crazy insane. Like, the whole world was waiting for them to pull her out. It was insane. Oh my goodness. This is the cutest cafe ever. I cannot handle it. It's a buffet. It's a stinking buffet. Shut up. It's a buffet. Oh, I want some treats. I kind of had the munchies. Why is there a trap door in the floor in your buffet? I don't know what to do with that. So the mob bosses, okay. Well, it is Nook's Casino, so I guess if you don't pay, you gotta get held in the basement cafe and work the cafe. Maybe that's what Nooks has got going on. It wouldn't put anything past Tom Nooks. All right, house 1 in the books. On to house 2. Oh my word! I just hit a little bit of this new vape, and oh man, it hits so good. It's one of the best. Oh man, there's still Nook's Casino. Oh, I'm so scared. More kneecap breaking probably. Ooh, What is it with the wheel thingy? Is it roulette? My girl is still here. She's been with us for a while. We're really enjoying our time together. Are you enjoying our time together? Yep. She says, yep. Oh, this is so cute. Look, and then they got 21 tables, blackjack tables. I do know what those are. You know, the first time I ever gambled, though, it wasn't in Deadwood. I forgot. One of my cousins that I lived with, and I'm not going to say his name in case he ever finds this, but he took me and my, like, half-sister. We kind of just considered each other sisters, but we shared the same stepdad. He was her stepdad, and he was my stepdad first, then he was hers. But anyway, that's side note. Him and his buddies, like, they got us they taught us to play poker. It was fun. I don't even know where I was going with that story. So cute. I love the sand on the walls. I feel like that could really be a casino thing, for sure. For sure. Oh, look at the big old dice. Oh my gosh. Is this where you roll the dice down and... What is that? You roll the two dice? Roulette? No, roulette I think is when you do the wheel. I know, it's the game that Monica and Chandler were, like, when they were going to get married. I know. I'm pretty chatty today, y'all. I can't remember what it is, but that is inspired. Love it. Good usage of the dice. I want to sing. I'm karaokeing it. Oh, can I not get around? Oh, no, I just want to sing at the mic. I can't. Oh, poop. Oh, well. To the right we go. Oh, my goodness. Ah! Look at the coins on the ground. That's so funny. Someone won the jackpot. The golden turtles on top. So cute. Okay. I know the big buzz lately in Animal Crossing, and I have to know how people are feeling about this. Modding. Modding. It's like a dirty word. Oh, this is cute. I love the cherries. I love the cherry rug in here. I love the cherry light, the neon. The only thing I think maybe the TVs, although the games are pretty loud, that would be overload. Very well done. Okay, so the dirty word modding, like, I'm just not sure. I want to do it so bad. I saw the cherry, or they turned the tomatoes into strawberries, and it was the cutest thing ever, and it makes for the most beautiful ponds. Oh my. Oh, I love that this one has the alert light on it. The alert light. I can't remember what it's called. More poker tables, roulette. What is the one? Is it craps? Is that what craps is? Like, I've never played a table. I've only done video. Other than, like, poker with my cousin and his friends. Oh, snap! Oh, shut up! Oh my gosh! I am horrified! First of all, I want to touch this. But second of all, there's a wood chipper down here and a freaking chainsaw! I mean, I got the security, but the chainsaw? I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm not a fan. I don't like it. No. I don't want to gamble at Nooks. I love the gaming tables in here, and this is inspired. It's a real high tech. I still love this. Poop. Let me try it again. Nice. Okay, up the stairs we go. On to house 3. Oh. This is proving a very exciting game today, or tour today. And I think I'm doing good. I like my new setup. Oh, I'm hoping this is baddie. I'm going to get a picture. I like my new setup because... Oh, book. She is... Because I can see now, like, how much time it's taking me. Oh, no. Baddie. Oh, man, she booked it. There she is. I love her sunglasses. I wonder, can I get... It looks like the other ones are at the back end. Oh, look. Okay, no, that's not one. Oh my, what is this? I love the ring lights. Wait a minute. Oh. Prada. Chanel. Shut up. Woo, cannabis. Is this the Bellagio? Oh, shut up! It is the Bellagio. Oh, girl. I gotta back up. And then I gotta go over the railing, and I gotta... Oh, I can't get a good shot. I think it'll be better if I take it with me in the picture, maybe. Oh, yeah, because then... I'm just going to stand here with my drink and think about all the money that I lost and could have really just bought shoes. Can I go up any higher? It won't go up any higher. Poop. That's just gorgeous. Oh my gosh! Shooting star! Oh, now I have to wait for a shooting star. Ooh, that's a good picture too. Shooting star. Do we got another one? Maybe it's not a full-blown... Maybe? I don't know. Alright. We have things to do. Oh! Fart! Oh, well. That was poop. Okay. So, we got off track because the Bellagio, it got me. It got me, girl. You got me good. Oh, wait, the dispensary. Oh, I love it. I love it. Hey, this is one of the houses. Oh, I am a fan. I am such a fan. Cute. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. Totally Vegas. Totally Vegas. Okay, we gotta get in. Oh, I love the ice cream shop. Okay, let's go in. Now, I haven't been to Vegas. Oh, poop. I haven't been to Vegas since they opened the cannabis. Are they, like, tucked away and hidden, like, when I was, my hubby was stationed in Utah, like, their I almost said classic stores. Their liquor stores were literally hidden, where their state stores were hidden. You couldn't find them. They were off the beaten path. Oh. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, look, it's like they got the tonics. Have you ever had the tonics? They are like some of my faves. I love the tonics. This is cute. You know, I really had a bad impression because, like, before it became legal here in Illinois, I love the nuggie jars. I'm all about nuggie jars. Like, before, I had a really bad perception of what a dispensary was gonna look like. I thought it was gonna look like that, and I mean, they're not. I mean, they're cute, but they're so modern. I just think the one in Disjointed was like, you know, mellow. I I just thought it would be different than what they were. Shut up. We got a grow operation going. Oh my gosh, they even got stuff on the walls. And grow lights. And look, the babies on the ground. Beautiful. Beautiful grow operation. Should I just make this your cover page? Oh, that would be funny, wouldn't it? Oh, Baddie, that would be so funny. Oh, goodness. Oh, this is just a tiny house. Tiny, tiny. All right, y'all. House 3 in the books. Bam! Ticking it off. Oh, my goodness, y'all. So I need more houses to live stream. So if you have a house out there, oh, Yves Saint Laurent, nice. So if you have a house that you would like me to live stream, oh my gosh, like there is an icon on my YouTube banner. All you have to do, last house, y'all. All you have to do is just click on that and fill it out, and then I can contact you and we can schedule a live stream. I really, really want to do some more live streams, so let me know if you're down. Oh. This is going to be fancy and schmancy, I feel like. Oh, don't walk in the water. I'm a little tipsy. I was high. I just visited the dispensary, you know. Don't you know? Oh, this is cute. Chanel. I love the bags on the wall, and I love that it's got the shelving on the wall, and so it looks like everything's hanging on the wall. Wow. Bravo. High end. I can't shop here ever. I have had a fake Prada bag one time. It was, I'm still walking. Oh my. Walking in the water. It was a fake Prada bag, but that's about all I can. Wow. This is fancy and schmancy. I love the choice of the pattern on the coat rack. And look at the bunny buns. Oh, I love the bunny buns. I really, really want to get some of those for my island. The little animal. Oh my, that light is bright. We're only going to do the... Oh, bugger. Only going to do the one bunny bun because that light is bright. Dang. Oh, he's so cute. The bunny bun's cute. Adorable. Well done. 50 points to Gryffindor. Okay, Baddie. I question, because, you know, I question everybody. How many people Fart! How many people are really designing the island? Was it just you? I gotta go back in. Sorry. Have some more oregano, Mr. Finkelstein. We all know why. We know why I do these things, but, you know, it's good fun. For me, anyway. Maybe not y'all. Y'all are like, stop it! Oh. It's a hotel. It's a suite. Oh, please have my favorite picture up here. Oh, no. I do love this space, though. I think it's interesting that you have the bed away from the wall. I don't know what that says about me that I've noticed it, and then I had to mention it. I love those lamps. That fit the elegant stuff. The elegant table lamps are so pretty. This is cute. I always love rovers. Oh, you've got a mix of natural, I think it's the natural wood. Because that's not gold. No. Huh. Oh, yeah, and then this one is teal over here. It's a good mix. I wouldn't have thought of mixing them up like that. But it's a little bit eclectic and elegant. I'm a fan. I'm a fan. Oh, you know what this means? This means this is the last bit of our house tour. But there's still so much island to see. Viva Cross Vegas. Are y'all having fun yet? I'm so baked. Oh my gosh, we have a magic show going on. We've got a movie theater. I love this. So cute. I feel like this is a magic show, right? Just like a lounge. Like shows. They do shows, right? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Out the door we go. We're so sad, Miss Baddie, because those houses were amazing. But now we get the fun of checking out a villager house. Or two. Oh, there's always construction going on in Vegas. Always. Every time I've ever been there. Okay, I think you're... Oh, it's a little loud. Did we go up here? Ooh, first house. Let's try it. Look at the pink mingo! I wonder whose house this is. I'm cold, y'all. I even heated my coffee up. This is so cute! Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up! Okay, and then I have a question, y'all. Flora. You know Flora is not a mingo? I think Flora is actually like a ostrich or something. Even though that is soup's cute. Bravo. But even though Flora looks like a mingo, she's not a mingo. It's really weird to me that... Oh, yeah. Cluttered spaces, just like Vegas. They shove so much in. Ooh. Holy cow. Did we look at this before? What is this? Oh, David, you... Caesar's Palace. How cute is that? Oh, fart. How uncute is that? Oh, I love it. Beautiful. David showing his junk. Oh, wow. Cute. Look at the taxis. I love it. I wouldn't have even thought of that. Oh, Miss Baddie. Soup's cute. This has been... I have thoroughly enjoyed this whole island. I mean, it has been a complete vibe. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go down to her dock. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. Oh, shoot. I'm so sorry I ran through your flowers. I mean, I know it's just Dreamworld, but I just don't like to do it. This is so gorgeous. Stunning. Your use of the statues. You got a little rock garden going on. Oh. Oh, beautiful. Oh, desert. More desert. I love the walk up. I wouldn't have thought to do it, and it makes me... I'm a little sad for you because one would have been perfect on the step. You know? It really would have been. That's so sad. Maybe you could take like a hanging light and put it on that other side, like right here. Isn't there a little lantern or something maybe? It would, or like even just like a little table or a little stool and set a lamp on it. Like one of the wooden boxes, like the cube light. Although that might, maybe just a stool. But it really would have like, yeah. It's such a bummer. For design, sometimes Nintendo does not think about that. Oh, wedding! Wedding chapel! I bet it's a wedding chapel! I bet it is. I bet it is. Oh, wedding chapel. Going to the chapel. And I don't think it's the chapel. I think it's the love shack. Hey, Rolf, you little fruit fly. It's the love shack. That's the honeymoon suite. Oh my. Oh. Oh, I bet that was the chapel. I bet it was. Okay, let's run down. Oh, shark. Shark. Oh my. I think somebody drowned. They just left him. Oh my, or passed out on the beach. Oh yeah, we did this. We did this. We did this. Okay, so let's run. Just gorgeous. Oh, stuck. I love the ring lights. That's so inspired. Ooh, house. Oh my. It looks like there's a theater or something going on behind. Don't let me forget to check it. Because I might. You never know. Oh, Pashmina! This is a cute casino. You know, and there is all kinds of... Oh, Ms. Lynette's going to laugh. I'm about to put some Lexable in my mouth. Mmm. Yeah, that was bad. But it's so good. Got my caramel. This is a really good casino for Pashmina. But what I was saying was, in Vegas, you get off to the strip. And there's all these little casinos and little, like, even, I mean, there's casino, there's video slots in everywhere. Ooh, what's this? Oh my. Was I up here? Yes, because it was the... What is this? Why have we got a movie going on back here? I love her secret beach, though. I bet this is where JoJo Siwa goes. Don't you think JoJo Siwa would Good secret beach. Okay. I love the hula. Oh my, what is this? Oh! What does it say? The Cosmopolitan? That is cute. Just stunning. I wish I could go up higher. Maybe if I back up a little bit. Beautiful. Just stunning. Oh, inspired. Inspired. Oh, somebody lost their ticket in Vegas. Oh, it's a Bell voucher. Oh! It let me pick it up. I will put it down. That was bad. It never lets me put things up. Oh, medieval times. I hear the stars. Let's see. Maybe it will be generous to me and it will give me... I love medieval times. It's so inspired. Maybe it'll give me a shooting star. I mean, we can only wait for so long. I know, the minute it'll happen like it did last time. The minute... Oh, there we go. Oh, but I didn't see anything. Can't see anything. That was sad. That was really sad. Oh my gosh, look at her Tom Nooks. Cute. I love the ducks. Just like Vegas. Just like Vegas. Ooh, look at the ritzy ritzy cars. Staying at the Luxor. What's back here? Oh, what's going on back here? I mean, I don't think, like, I can, like, go up into any of these places. I think they're all just for aesthetic. And it's so effective. Ooh, let's walk down this way. Oh, look at the trucks. Oh. Shut up. Shut the freaking front door. Look at this freaking tunnel. Oh, shut up. It's a whole stinking vibe. I am stinking blown away. I am so... Wow. Do you see that? And the little vehicles on top, so it's like a freeway. I'm just blown away. Can I get out? I can't get out that way. More oh, her peninsula. Oh, there's a house. Oh, can I get to it? Cute. Let's see whose house this is. Oh, I don't want to do that. Oh my word, y'all. This is like already at 48 minutes. And it's been incredible though. Oh, dingy. New York, New York. I love it. That's insane. Insane, girl. Miss Baddie B. Barbie, you are a beast. I can't even imagine how long this took. You took such great care. I know, I'm coming down this way. What is this place? Oh! It's the dollhouse. I mean, I don't know what the dollhouse is. Looks like poker. But I am going to tell... Oh, strip club. Oh, my. One of my favorite shows is I love Josh Whedon stuff, and I love the Dollhouse with Eliza Dushku. That show was insane, and it had my one girl on it. Oh, look, it's the... Oh, what's this? My one girl from Firefly. Like, yeah, I'm really talking about... Ooh, there's a rooftop. A rooftop terrace up there? Oh, my. Nice. Oh, I love that. So cute. Wait. Yeah. Let's take a look at this. When you can see the MGM Grand behind you. Oh, Nan. I got it to turn around. How spectacular is that? Beautiful. Beautiful. Any closer and I might have missed the MGM. Just gorgeous. We have pizza. Oh, Flick's tattoo. Lolly's lunchbox. Okay, I'm gonna come back here and see if I can't. Oh, Lolly. Oh, my Lolly. Lolly, get your adverbs here. Y'all are too young to remember that. Schoolhouse Rock. Lolly, get your adverbs here. Oh, this is a pretty good shot, too. Maybe not. Oh, cute. Ooh, her campsite. Oh! I like this. Cute. Oh, what store is this? CVS. I love it. I wish I could get closer. That's the only thing. That's cute. I don't think even if I stand back here, the handheld is still not a good... Like, I wish we could lift it higher, because when y'all are doing... It's still kind of cute. When y'all are doing layering builds, you know, stacking layers, sometimes I can't get a very good angle. And do you know what? We'll do it this way. We'll do it this way. I'm just going to run out of frame. Lift it up a little. Beautiful. Really good rendition. Really good rendition. Okay, and I've been over here. Y'all, I think that's it off for here at Vegas. Oh, I'm so sad. Scooters! Scooter! Oh, wait. Look. Oh, I love all the cars everywhere. Look at Cinnamon Roll. Cute. Oh, what's that say? What is this little alleyway? Oh, I'm hungry. Poker, poker, poker. Just a cute little alleyway. Little hidey hole. I love it. It's kind of like this, too. Like, this is stunning. I am such a fan. Oh, wait, we have not... Yeah, we did see this part. Oh my gosh, there's race cars up at the top, y'all. What is back here? Oh, it's just a... It's just a castle. Oh, poop. And I went up here. Oh, yeah. It's our beach. It's our beach. Oh, I'm thoroughly exhausted. That was such an intense tour. Oh, I just want to thank our designer, Ms. Baddie B. Barbie. This was insane. I am so blown away. Thank you so much for allowing us to feature Viva Cross Vegas. It did not disappoint, and oh my gosh, thank you, thank you, thank you. It was just awesome, awesome, awesome. I want to thank my little Wakie Bakie peeps. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for joining me here today. If you like this content, please like, follow, and share. If you have an island you'd like me to tour, drop me a note down below. And again, let me know if you want to do a live stream. You can fill out that form in the top corner of my banner on YouTube. And yeah, fill it out. I'll get back with you. We'll schedule a live stream. It'll be so much fun. Can you imagine this live? Yeah, so many bad things can happen. All right, y'all. I think that's... Oh, no. One more housekeeping. Please catch up with our designer, Baddie B. Barbie, on viva.cross.vegas on Instagram. This is insane. She is an insane designer, and we need to see more from you, Miss Baddie B. We need to see more. Thanks for joining us again, and remember, y'all, it's hard out there. Get your bake on and play some Animal Crossing. I love you, and I am out.